How far do you think one needs to go to witness a new India? I'll say not far. The future of India is taking shape right here. Along this industrial corridor, new dreams are being built as we reimagine India for you. Welcome to DMIC, the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. The largest industrial corridor anywhere in the world, DMIC is turning India into a global hub for manufacturing. Developing green, smart and sustainable industrial cities. With vast open spaces, ample green cover, soothing water bodies, easy connectivity and mass transit systems. These cities will be epitomes of holistic living that blend work and play. These industrial ecosystems with large contiguous land parcels and intelligent zoning, trunk infrastructure like power, water and data even at plot levels, offer scalable plug-and-play environs for any industry. At DMIC, we have harnessed the power of knowledge and technology to shape a better tomorrow for you. With state-of-the-art digital connectivity, e-enabled citizen services and a centralized administration center for single-point clearances and hand-holding, these smart cities will be equipped to handle the demands of a dynamic growing economy. Instead of creating concrete jungles piling on e-waste or encroaching on green cover, the Greenfield Smart Cities strive towards sustainable, eco-friendly development. Platinum-certified buildings, efficient and renewable energy sources, water conservation, state-of-the-art waste management system, and round-the-clock recycling help these Greenfield Smart Cities create sustainable ecosystems that promote healthy lifestyles. Come, join me and be part of a smarter India. With 4 other industrial corridor projects about to take off, we are changing the way the world sees India. DMIC, reimagining India, reimagining the future.